everybody, here's a model review of my new model I just got, and it's a cat backhoe, but I don't know what number it is, sorry about that. And I got it off of eBay, and I like the red because there's a construction company / trucking that lives by their shops by me, kind of, and their colors are red and white, so I just picked the red because it's cool, because I want to kind of make my company over there like theirs, Davenport's Construction, as some of you guys may know him that's watching, I'm not sure. And yeah, here we go with the review. Who has it? Bless me. Yeah. Sorry about that. Here's the forks that it comes with. Material handler. Bucket that opens up, and it's like custom because the paint's gone. And a hammer. And then the thing that's cool is that slides like that, and then that's as far as it goes out, and then hold on a sec, that's as far as it digs. And it slides back and forth kind of easy, but didn't really slide that easy when I got it because it was painted, which I don't really care about that because it's probably just going to be sitting over there or in the dial that I made the other day, which the video's up of it. And yeah, it has good detail inside. It has like a steering wheel and a detailed what do you want to call it, and then the things operate the stick, and then I think this is a GPS, correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, I think his name is BC Customs 1 from YouTube, and yeah, you should go and check him out. And yeah, maybe some videos later. See ya.